Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use an Envato Template Kit in WordPress. First, ensure your WordPress installation is ready and the free Elementor Page Builder plugin is active. Next, head over to Envato Elements or your purchase history to download your chosen template kit. These kits provide a powerful foundation, often including 10 to 15 pre-designed pages and global styles, saving you countless hours in design work. Once you have your kit downloaded, go to your WordPress dashboard. Find the Templates menu on the left, then click Template Kits. Here, you will see an Upload Template Kit button. Select the zip file you downloaded earlier and upload it. The system will then prompt you to install any necessary plugins, which typically takes just a few moments to complete. With your kit uploaded, navigate to the Installed Kits tab. The first crucial step is to import the global site settings. This applies the kit's fonts, colors, and overall styling across your entire website. After that, you can selectively import individual page templates, such as your home, about, or services pages. You might import 5 to 10 pages, depending on your site's needs. Now for the fun part, customization. Open any imported page with Elementor. You can easily change text, swap images, and adjust layouts. Remember to utilize Elementor's global settings to fine-tune your site's typography and color palette, ensuring consistency. This allows you to personalize your site, making it truly yours, often in less than 1 hour for basic content changes.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.